Trust is important, and at Purr, we bring previous customers back to you as well as new customers because we create the win-win-win for everybody involved in the transaction. The old model is designed to punish the buyer and seller, and the dealers make profit, but this comes with a penalty, the penalty of trust from those users. I know great people in the auto industry, and they get the bad rep of the used car salesman, but they're not actually bad people. It's the business model that's designed to hurt the buyers and sellers that gives them that bad rep. So dealers have significant overhead costs. They have their brick and mortar building. They have to maintain that building. They have to hire staff, and then they have to pay for their inventory. In response to this antiquated model, new online dealerships are coming on board, and they have less overhead, so they can pay more for their vehicles and charge less to the customers, and that's really going to affect you. The sellers that are going to be coming to your dealership through the Purr app will be customers that you wouldn't normally have. These are people that have been turned away from the car dealership buying experience, and they've ran to the private market because they don't want to deal with that type of business. We are bringing them back to you.